and let's do a horn test. Oh, very, very premium. So how do I turn it on? I thought this one's the slider for the fan. Yes, okay. Kasi pantanggal lamig yan. Okay. So it has a button right there to open panoramic sunroof. Hey guys, here we have the all-new 2023 Volkswagen Tharu. And this one is the top-of-the-line variant. You can see it has the upgraded wheels and upgraded headlights. The IQ light right there with the dynamic turn signals and matrix LEDs. So up front we can see that it has the typical horizontal face for Volkswagen. And everything is just minimal. You have sharp creases along the side, chrome accents on the door handles, and as I said earlier, the wheels are upgraded with red accents for the top of the line. And here's the rear. You have a light bar and the dynamic turn signals continues here as well. You can also see that it has the Tharu badging right there. Right, so let's go ahead and take it for a drive. So here's the key for the Tharu. Still has the switchblade key, but it does have comfort access. So just put your foot on the brake and start it up. So this one is powered by a 1.5 turbo engine paired with a 7-speed DSG, which is a dual clutch automatic transmission. So let's put the key here first. You have nice storage spaces right here with 2 cup holders and a place for your phone and card. You have wireless charging right here and 2 USB-Cs. You also have dual zone automatic climate control with clean air. So let's turn it on because it's a little bit hot right now. How do I turn it on? Menu. It has a nice feature here where you can slide it and the fan adjusts accordingly. This has been seen in most Volkswagen models abroad as well. You also have heated seats, which I don't know if you need here in the country, so let's close the door for a bit. Very solid and a signature for Volkswagen. It does have a nice layout on the dash. You have red accents right here and a digital gauge display, which you can also enlarge some of the information of the vehicle. And the steering wheel is leather wrapped with perforations on the sides. Now the controls here are capacitive, so it does take time getting used to because you have to really press it, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to use. For seat belts, and I think this button is for the safety. Oh yeah, so the assist systems. We have the cruise control, speed limiter, and side assist, rear cross traffic alert, and whatnot. This is the touchscreen. It is a floating style tablet. This one is the top of the line, so it has the larger screen. This is a 10.2-inch screen. It is really large. It displays information very clearly. You have your radio, phone, vehicle, climate. You can also control here. After the menu. So as I said, Apple CarPlay. So electronic parking brake. With auto hold, you have different driving modes: normal, sport, custom, and eco. You have a park assist as well, so this one will automatically park the car itself. Okay, so you also have a 360-degree camera, which is a welcome addition, especially in our tight roads in the Philippines. You have a switch to turn off the engine start-stop. So I'll turn these off first. Let's start driving. Put in drive and brake. Visibility around is quite impressive. The windows are large. It does let in a lot of light in the cabin. And off the line, the DSG shifts very seamlessly. Now we're in 4th gear. give it a little bit oomph. Let's switch to sport. And now we're in sports mode, the transmission, and it instantly turns into a different kind of machine. It's very agile and responsive. The steering feel is adequate enough. It is heavily assisted, but then you wouldn't use this car for sporty purposes, so let's switch to eco mode. This is a very comfortable ride. The NVH is good as well, doesn't let in a lot of road noise. And in eco mode, when you press on the throttle, it doesn't give you as much power because it's trying to save on fuel. So we're backing up to a spot right now and we can use the 360-degree camera. So with the display being large, you can clearly see the road around you if you're gonna hit any obstacles and whatnot. And this works in conjunction with the parking sensors with rear cross traffic alert. This time let's leave it in normal mode because that's the setting most people will use. DSG transmission shifts very seamlessly and quickly. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't have any paddle shifters, but it does have manual shifting controls here in the gear lever. And the gauges are nice and crisp. You can choose a view with the speedometer only showing, or the range, but you can also view here your media and whatnot. So it soaks up bumps pretty well. Now that was a thick metal plating used to cover some potholes right there, and it went over with no drama whatsoever. here. Yeah, that concludes the POV drive. A couple of other features to note is the panoramic sunroof that stretches across the roof. Oh, okay, so it has a button right there to open panoramic sunroof. So if it is a nice day out, you can open this up and let wind in, or if it's night, you can also view the stars above. So let's close this right here. The lights here are LED, and oh, there you go, the engine just started again because it turned off when we came to a complete stop thanks to the start stop function. So the rear view mirror is automatic dimming for the top of the line only. Okay, so yeah, the steering wheel also features the new Volkswagen emblem right here, and let's do a horn test. Oh, very, very premium, as with every Volkswagen. Right, so let's turn off the car, turn off the AC. So eto pala, this is a capacitive touch, no? It's not really buttons. So when you control your temperature, you just slide or you just touch. For auto, there you go. The temperature is adjusted by sliding this bar right there. Let's turn off the heated seats. It heats up pretty fast, and yeah, it's actually comfortable. Let's turn it off there. There you go. Turn it off. Here is the engine button. It also reminds you if you forget anything here inside the car. And yeah, there you go. That was a quick POV drive of the Volkswagen Tharu. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.